again. It's hot. There's some days where Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. Put on a new set of fake nails. These are white coffin style ones. They're like the Kiss Impress nails. I'm obsessed with these. The sun is really coming down here. It is hot. It is so hot outside, but that was a nice walk. It's annoying that's open. This is where Callie likes to lie when she's hot, because like the AC, I think like hits her there, and she likes being under things. Like she likes having the little cover, and then you're funny, Cal. So I might sit here and watch some TikToks. It's 11:31 a.m. at the moment. Maybe I'll post a TikTok actually, because I have a cleaning one that I want to post. So maybe that's what I'll do. I'm gonna edit the cleaning clips that I did from the other day and like voice over it and everything for TikTok. It's hot. Do y'all remember this mug? If you watched me back when I like still lived with my family, I don't know why, but this mug reminds me of that time. Like I feel like I would always use it in my morning routines and like just in general. It says coming in hot. I got it from FabFitFun. Waiting for coffee. Oh, I can smell it. I can literally smell it. It smells so good. Let's go get some oat milk. There are dirty clothes on the floor, so just beware. Oh, there we go. There's dirty clothes. Also a napkin. We will have a lot of cleaning to do today, as you can see, but that's okay. We're gonna get to that. Just kidding, you need to come too. Don't have any clean spoons, so we'll be using a fork. Reality. Is this lighting okay? All right, first sip of coffee. Just kidding, it's too hot. I also feel like I can never not have earrings in. I always need earrings. Okay, we're not gonna do like a full makeup or anything, but I do wanna get myself a little bit ready. It's like such a rainy, dreary day. There's actually a tornado watch, which is kind of freaking me out, to be honest. I thought we could do just like a little get ready with me, catch up, share what I was feeling yesterday, because I was just not in a filming mood yesterday at all. Probably saw the clips from yesterday, and I don't know why, but yesterday was one of those days where it literally took everything out of me to like get myself to film. I was actually like, I ended up falling asleep. I was sitting on the couch watching Desperate Housewives and I fell asleep, and then I woke up and I'm like, oh my God, I just need to take a nap, like while I was waiting for Tim to get home. So I ended up coming in here. I took literally like a 30-minute nap. It was just one of those days that I thought I was getting sick, and knock on wood, I'm so grateful that like today I do feel better. And like once he got home, I kind of got myself up, got ready, because we had to go to that little party, which was ended up being a lot of fun. Like I met some really nice people. We got ice cream after. Like it was nice and everything, and I felt a lot better than I thought I was going to. So I was really grateful for that. But during the day yesterday, I don't know what it was. It was just one of those days where it was like, I could not push myself to have energy. Like I just had nothing in me, it felt like. So I was chugging water all day, which I'm sure helps to like feel better today. And I didn't drink any alcohol yesterday. Like they were all drinking beers and stuff. And I was just like, at the party, I'm like, yeah, no, I'm not even gonna, because I knew that I would feel way worse today if I did. So I'm really grateful that I didn't. You can like see the line where my head is. Oh, that doesn't look that great. I know. All better. But yeah, I don't know. Ooh, we're gonna use my Rare Beauty and Encourage. This like purple color I feel like is perfect for a rainy day. Not that I plan on going anywhere today, but just like being home with this pretty purple. Party ended up being a lot of fun. And then we got home, I don't know, maybe like 10 o'clock? No, like 9 o'clock. We got home at like 8:39ish, and we watched the new season of MasterChef, which was so good. I love that show. Let me know if you watch MasterChef. We're obsessed with that show. So we watched started the new season 13, and then we went to sleep. And then we woke up this morning, Tim went to the gym, and I've just kind of been hanging out, or you saw like we made my coffee, I was chilling for a little bit, and now we are getting ready for the day. And then we have a lot of cleaning to do, as you saw in the kitchen. There's some days where it's like, no matter how hard I was like trying to convince myself to get up and get stuff done, my body just needed to rest. And I think I really know that because I fell asleep. Like, it is so rare for me that I take naps, especially on like a day when I was planning to get a lot of stuff done. Like, I was excited to film and everything. I knew I had the party later, but I just had nothing in me. Like, my body was just like, Kat, you need to rest. And I think that that's really important, that when our body tells us that, you know, if you're able to really just take a step back and give yourself that time to take a nap, to rest, whatever it is that you need. I don't know, just a little reminder. I know that that's not always possible. Like, if you're at work and you just can't stop and take a nap, or you have children that you're taking care of and you can't just like drop everything and take a nap. But when you can, find little ways to like give yourself that rest, because at the end of the day, you need rest too. Can I have a sip of this coffee yet? It's hot, but good. It's also getting hot in here. Let me know if you get that song reference. I didn't mean it as a song reference when I said it, but it is getting very hot in here because it's like super muggy. Even though it's raining out, it's like really, really muggy. And I have the AC on in the living room and like kitchen area, but obviously like I didn't want the noise, so I closed the door in here. So I'm like already starting to feel kind of sticky. Nope, and my headband fell again. That looks awkward. I feel like once I take this off, you won't really be able to notice though. Maybe I need to be better when I do my face tanner about like getting my hairline as well. I will take note of that. All right, I'm gonna change and let's go get to cleaning, because that's really, well, actually, I think we're gonna like sit and enjoy my coffee for a little bit. Cheers. Never mind. I decided that I just got like a cleaning wind. I don't know. As soon as I walked out, or like I got dressed, and I'm like, you know what? Instead of sitting and reading right now, I want to just get to cleaning. Also, how freaking cute are these leggings? They are the Lululemon Align, but like with the, what's it called? Like flare at the bottom. So like they're basically the same as the other ones that I have, but they just flare out. I think they're so freaking cute. I'm so excited. I haven't worn them yet since they came like 2 weeks ago, because it's been so hot. So I figured since we're kind of just spending the day inside today, these are like the perfect little shirt or pants to wear. And then my shirt is from TJ Maxx. It says, enjoy the little things. I think this is so cute. All right, especially because I'm wearing long pants, I'm gonna stop talking, go turn the AC on, and we're gonna get to cleaning. We're putting on I Can See You by Taylor Swift. This is like one of my favorite new songs. Actually, I'm obsessed. I'm curious, if you are a big Taylor Swift fan, let me know what are your favorite songs from the new album release. My top 3, like from the vault, are definitely I Can See You, Castle Crumbling, and Timeless. I love all of them, but those were like my top 3 on repeat.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like.
I feel like we haven't done a quote of the video in a little bit, and I found one the other day that really, really resonated with me and gave me a little bit of motivation and inspiration. Just, well, I'll share the quote and then we'll talk about it. So the quote says, "Direction is more important than speed. It doesn't matter how slowly you go as long as you never stop." I think if you have big goals in your life, it can be really difficult to keep that momentum up and stay positive and excited about it if you're not seeing the progress that you want to see as quickly as you want to see it. And the thing is, with a lot of goals in life, it takes time. Consistency and patience paired together is really key here. So let's say that you have a big fitness goal you're working towards and you're getting frustrated because you just feel like you're not getting there as quickly as you want to. Well, guess what? Every single time that you go for that walk or that you go to that workout class, you are one step closer to achieving that fitness goal than you were before you did that. Remember that you're moving forward, you're moving in the right direction. And at the end of the day, that's really the most important thing. Oh, it is really coming down right now. Look at that. I just realized I never updated you guys. Remember in my last vlog about the bees? Well, I figured out what's causing it. So I can't really zoom much more. That is a giant beehive. Like, and when I say beehive, I actually mean hornet hive. We're pretty sure that they're white-faced hornets, which I didn't know what they were before this, but apparently they're very aggressive. So I did contact the association. They're hopefully gonna be like removing it soon. I asked if they could do it without hurting the bees, like just move it somewhere else in the woods. I don't necessarily know how likely that is, but I hate the idea that the bees would get hurt. 'Cause like they're not trying to, like they're not bad. They're just trying to live their life. I just need them to live their life, not near my life. Like since I realized that was there, I haven't let Callie out on the patio and I haven't gone out because she'll like, if she sees a bug, she'll try and snap it. Right, baby? And like, obviously if she were to do that with one of the bees, they're so close, like they're always flying around there. Like that would be so bad. Because then I could so see them all like going to attack her, and I'm just so like, she hasn't been able to sit outside. I'm gonna put a picture here. The other day she like really wanted to go on the patio and I was like no, so I like put this little towel here and she was just sun tanning next to the patio, but inside. But I really hope that they remove it soon because it's actually really freaky. Oh gosh. Okay, we have a lot to do. You can see there's clothes there. This is honestly kind of embarrassing just to show y'all what I'm looking at right now, but it's okay because I hope this can motivate you. I've just kind of lost like desire to even try to keep this clean the past few days. So this is what the bedroom looks like. I guess the embarrassing part is like that's a combination of dirty and clean clothes. Like I'm literally gonna have to sit there and figure out what's clean and what's dirty. That's all clean, so I'm gonna put that on the bed so we can fold it. But everything else, and obviously those are Tim's clean socks, but everything else is just like, I don't know. So let's get to cleaning. Not gonna lie, this was one of those projects that like for a week I just let all these clothes lie on the ground because it just felt like the most overwhelming project. I'm like, I don't even know why I call it a project. It was just clothes on the ground. But doing this cleaning task felt so overwhelming to me that I just kept not doing it. And once I actually did it, it took me like, I don't know, 5-10 minutes, and I was really not anywhere near as bad as I thought it was gonna be. And it feels so darn good to now have it all cleaned up. So this is your sign that whatever that cleaning task or project is that you keep putting off, just get started. That is 100% the hardest part, is getting started. And then once you get going, you're going to build momentum, and it's probably not going to take you as long as you thought it would, and it's probably not going to be as bad as you thought it would be, and you're going to feel so darn incredible once it's complete. Oh my gosh, I cannot tell y'all how good it feels to have that done. This is like this is the number one thing when you don't feel motivated to clean. Remind yourself of how darn great it feels once you're looking at your space and it's actually clean. And 9 times out of 10, that motivates me to get cleaning. Hi Hi again. It's a little bit later, a few hours later. I just came back from the grocery store. I got these flowers. How beautiful are these? We are gonna set these up and put them in the living room, and then we're gonna cook dinner really quick. I was going to the grocery store to get scallions because I have everything for the dinner that I want to make except scallions, except when I got home I realized we didn't have chickpeas, so I really wish I picked those up, but it's okay. We're just gonna have the dinner without chickpeas tonight. Tim is in the bath. When I was at the grocery store, it was really funny. I was walking out of the grocery store and this older man stopped me and he's like, "You didn't buy yourself flowers, did you?" And I was just like, "Yeah, I did." And he was like, he shakes his head and he goes, "You need a better man," and then walked away. Tim does buy me flowers a lot, but sometimes I'll buy them for myself, you know what I mean? I know he was just being sweet. I thought it was very funny. I kind of felt bad. I hope that he didn't think that I was, like, because the way that I react, I was like, "Oh, have a good day," and then this is how I overthink. I'm like, "Oh my gosh, wait, did I just ruin his day?" Because now he feels awkward that he said something that made me feel uncomfortable, even though it didn't make me feel uncomfortable. I thought it was funny. This is where my mind goes. I just need to chill. I'm just really excited about these flowers because I think they're stunning. When I'm thinking about it, I probably should have just started cooking first and then we could have done the flowers after. That way, like, the food is cooking, but that's okay. Solution in there. A little more water. That's better. I don't know. What do you think? Is that vase too big? I think it's okay. We're going to go put it in the living room. I'm going to put Desperate Housewives on while I cook. My number one tip for when you're cooking to keep your home clean, your kitchen clean, is to clean as you go. So while I had my food while the veggies are cooking in the fridge, oh my gosh, what am I saying? While the vegetables are cooking in the oven, I am cleaning up the kitchen, washing the dishes, filling up the dishwasher with like the random little dishes that were in the sink. And then that way, once my food is ready, I can eat. And then after dinner, it's going to take like half the time to clean up, and it's way more likely that I'm actually going to. And then Tim and I were watching MasterChef while we were eating.